Hey guys, this is Sam here, Community Manager at Chimney Coffee, and today we're going to talk about how to get a great extraction out of a traditional espresso machine. So I've bought my Gadget Classic from home to show you, and we're going to pair it with the Sage Smart Grinder Pro, which is available online and in store. Today we're using our America's House Espresso, and we've got 19 grams of coffee, so the first thing that we're going to do is grind it. If you don't have a grinder at home, you want to use quite a fine grind, and you can adjust in increments of half a gram up or down to make sure that you get a good extraction. Okay, so we've got our ground coffee. We're going to use our tamper to just distribute by going round the clock a couple of times and compact the coffee, just push down with about a 5 out of 10. You can also use something called a puck screen, which is this. You don't have to, it just helps make things a little bit less messy, but today we're not going to use it. Now we're going to hook our portafilter into our machine, get our cup and a set of mini scales so that we can weigh the output, and we're looking for a 1:2 ratio. Now we're going to start our timer when we start the extraction, and we're looking for a 30-second extraction. If it takes too long, then you need to make your grind a little bit coarser, so there's less resistance within the puck, and vice versa. If it's too quick, say 20 seconds, you want to make your grind a bit finer. I always recommend dosing individually, which is why I had 19 grams measured out, so that we can remove one variable from proceedings. This is looking good. It's going to stop at about 30 seconds, and we're going to have a really nice balance of flavour within the cup. Perfect. We'll give it a swirl, and we can see it's got a really nice creamer, a little bit of mess from the portafilter, but that's fine. Let's give it a taste. Tastes great.